Hello everybody. I'm gonna do my hair today right out of the shower. I just washed it this morning, and so I'm just gonna show you guys how I put the styling products in it and blow it dry in a very easy way. I don't do it all at once. I actually dry it in little bits and come back and let it partially air dry as well, so that it's a lot easier. So anyway, I've had this towel in. I put on a little bit of basic makeup, and my towel's been in maybe 20 minutes to kind of soak out extra water. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is very like light and fluffy basically, so it's already starts just little parts that almost air dry. Maybe I shouldn't put that towel there. Okay. So what I do first is divide the hair into two. Then I go ahead and take this coconut oil. I take like a little tiny bit, like that amount. And then I take this now Argon Oil and go ahead and in my hand put 1, 2, 3, like 4 or 5 drops. Whoops. So it's like that. Mix them together. And then lightly, without blobbing it in one place, I start to kind of just put a little through. Okay, most of it's distributed. I just have like a little tiny bit left, like almost dry. So I only put that little bit on here, otherwise it'll get too heavy or greasy. Take a wide tooth comb. And just very gently comb out the knots. I'm standing on my toes because I have long hair and it goes out of frame. I guess I can step back. That's about as far as I can go. Oops. As you can see, I have very naturally curly hair. I could actually just let it air dry too and get a very long curl. It's always better to start actually down at the bottom, but I always try to see if it'll give me a break by trying at the top too. But yeah, you always want to start at the bottom to detangle the ends first. But I always hope I get lucky with no tangles. So let me try this. Unfortunately, it's about as far as I can go. So next, I take this Biosilk. And I don't know if you can see, it's like a quarter size amount. And again, be very careful not to blob it all in one place. I just lightly go over the ends right here. And I always put the oils on first so they can soak in. I feel like if you put the silicone on first and then the oils, that it's going to maybe coat the hair and block it so it doesn't absorb in. So I do kind of work it through first before I add these silicone drops so that it can penetrate the hair shaft hopefully before I put these silicone, because they make the hair more shiny and coated basically. Okay. So now I'm ready to dry my hair basically. So I'm taking my, oh, I love this hairdryer, the Chi. and it's my new hair dryer, and it really works fantastic. But I blow dry my hair on a light setting, and like I said, I don't do it all at once. I let it air dry in between. Like, I'll go and do some other things, and I try not to wash my hair if I have to go somewhere in a hurry. If I had to stand here and blow dry it bone dry all at once, it would probably take me 45 minutes. But doing it this easier way, and I set, if it's in the winter, I go sit by a little space heater, and in the summer I sit by a fan blowing on it in between. So I just come in here and I blow dry my hair in little 5-minute bits or 2-minute bits, and then at the very end, that's when I actually go through and finish it. And it makes it a lot easier for me so that it's no stress at all, no sweat. Okay, so anyway. Okay, I'm gonna put this on time lapse so it goes really fast, so it's not so boring. My hair is semi-dry right now. So I'm actually gonna stop for a little bit and let it air dry quite a bit. I have other things to do around the house right now. So I'm gonna take a break for a while, let the fan blow on it and the little heater, and I'm gonna come back and finish it up. So that was about maybe 5 minutes worth of blow drying, and I just go ahead and take a break, and I think it's healthier for the hair, so I'll be back in a little bit. Hello, it's about an hour later. So my hair is almost nearly dry and it's started to get wavy, so I'm just gonna finish off blow drying it right now. It'll only take a couple minutes, so I'm gonna do time lapse again. Okay, so right now my hair is dry, but it's not super bone dry, it's just dry. So what I normally do to get the waves in my hair naturally is after it's dry, I'm gonna make a top bun basically. Okay, so right now I have a top ponytail. Then I'm very careful at the end so they don't get frizzy, but go ahead and wind it and get the end all smooth. Tuck it in. Take a little hair tie. Like so. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave my hair up in this little top bun for for a while actually, and let it set or settle down. And then when I take it out, it should be all nice and wavy. And so that should be about it. So anyway, it's dry, and for now it's up, and then I'll take it down and that'll be it. Okay, thanks. Fast forward 24 hours, I'm now taking the bun out, and out comes all the waves and curls. Okay, all done. Spray, spray, spray. Okay, thank you so much for watching for this natural kind of beach waves look. I really appreciate it. See you next time.